Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel, the AIM Trader. Now you can see that it continuously consolidate and come down in Euro USD. You can see that it is taking right here only. This is the trend line here only taking a support right now. You can see that exactly. So what will be the next move in next week? You can see that if it will cross here. Okay guys, it will take a support here, or you are seeing that it came once again and taking support. Then your first target will be this, second target, third, fourth, and this is final fifth target. Okay guys, these five target you can surely go for. Okay guys, if it came downside, okay guys, it breaks, your first target will be this, second target, third target, and your fourth target. Okay guys, these are the four target in Euro USD. Okay guys, we can see in GBP USD. You can see in GBP USD guys, here is the that. I will just remove this. So now we can see in British pound versus US pound. You can see that I will just shift this line. Okay guys, so this is act as a supporting area. So this is the one of the what we have discussed at that time. I will just shift these line. Okay guys, these are remaining same because it doesn't break and it is only consolidation phase. So whenever it breaks upside or downside, it will give us very nice momentum. Okay guys, in Euro GBP you can see that it broken and gives us our a nice two target. Okay guys, right now it is acting as a one of the resistance area. You can see here. I will just shift this line. Okay, you can see here. Okay guys, you can see here in Euro versus British pound, it's taking right now resistance. Okay guys, so what we can see in this area is that if it will come and take here support somewhere. Okay guys, our first target will be very small up till here only guys. Okay guys, this is our first target, this is our second, this is our third target, fourth target, and fifth target. Okay guys, this five target you can easily take in upside momentum. Okay guys, in downside also we can discuss if it will take a resistance from here. Your first immediate target will be this. Okay guys, then your second target will be here somewhere, third and fourth. Okay guys, these are the four target in Euro versus British pound. You can see in USD versus Canadian dollar. You can see that it continuously consolidate only, done nothing. Okay guys, this is the one of the major thing what I am seeing here. Okay guys, after this break, okay guys, this is the line. After it will break, it gives us very nice momentum. At least we think that it will take here support, or it will continuously go from here. The first target will be this, second target, third and fourth. Okay, these are the four target in upside. In downside also I will just shift this line so we can get our downside momentum. Okay guys, these are the USD versus Canadian dollar. We can see in USD versus Swiss francs. Okay guys, I will just remove this. Okay, if it's taking right now is resistance from here only, you can see that how nicely taking a resistance from here only. Okay guys, right now what we can see is that if once again it take a resistance from here, then your immediate target will be this is second target, and this is third target. Okay guys, these are the three target you can surely go for. And one of the thing what I'm seeing is this is the major trend line. Okay, if it will break downside, it gives us very nice momentum. If it will breaks upside, it will gives us very nice momentum in upside too. Okay guys, this is the triangle pattern what I am seeing. Okay guys, in upside momentum also we can see that if it will take support or whatever, it will breaks, then you have to take your trade. This is your first target, second target, and your third target. This will, if it will break upside, it gives us very nice momentum. Okay guys, now we can see in EUD versus USD. Okay guys, EUD versus USD, it given us very nice momentum right now. Okay guys, so I will just remove this. This is the one of the supporting line. Once again, if it will come once again downside momentum. Okay guys, if it will take support here, then goes upside momentum. Okay guys, if it will take and come and take here resistance, then you can go for downside momentum. Okay guys, surely in NSD USD. Okay guys, New Zealand dollar versus US dollar. You can also join my Telegram channel. I will give there so many trades with I cannot cover all the pairs in this one video, so I will post there. We have got very nice trade also. You can see that our trend line. So Indian USD, there are so many trades which are within 3 to 2 days, gives us very nice risk to reward ratio. You can go and check out my Telegram channel too if you don't join that. So go and join, or otherwise you have to backtest it. If you backtest, then only you have then only you can join it, so you can confirm that whatever I will give you trade or tell you how it works, so that you have to learn. Okay guys, you have been learn that thing, so you become a independent trader. That's what I want from you. Okay guys, this is the one of the major resistance what I am thinking right now. Okay guys, I will just shift it. Okay guys, this is the it's coming right now downside only, so I will just shift this line. Okay, this is the downside momentum, so these are the our target. Okay guys, otherwise in upside momentum I will show you. It will come upside, take once again support, then your first target will be very small. This is the your first target, second, third, fourth and fifth. Okay guys, these are the target which you can surely go for. Okay guys, we can see next forex pair. This is the euro versus Japanese yen. Okay guys, right now it is given us very nice momentum. Right now it broken in downside momentum. If it will take downside, then you can go surely for these trade, or otherwise these are the trade which you can surely go for. Okay guys, probability is very high. It will take resistance from here and come down, so you can go up till here also. Okay guys, it will use us very nice momentum right now. Okay guys, in downside, if it will take, it will confirm that it will come downside. Okay guys, in AUD versus CHF. Okay guys, in AUD versus CHF gives us very nice momentum. You can see that this is the one of the trend line. I will just shift down. Okay guys, you can see that from here only it slightly goes upside, but it continuously come downside only. This is the one of the major trend lines. So I will just do is that I will stretch. If what happened, if it will break this. Okay guys, take resistance. Your first target, immediate target will be this, second, this will be third and fourth target. Okay guys, these are the four target which can surely go for in downside momentum. If you want that upside momentum, then it takes support here. Your first target, your second target and your third target. Okay guys, these three target you can surely go for it. Okay guys, now we can see next pair. Sorry guys, so here is the, this is the one of the major resistance area what we have discussed. So I will just shift this line. You can see that after that only it taken here only resistance and came down. How bears came down, you can see that how nicely. So right now what we can discuss is that one of the area is that this is the area. Okay guys, this is the area where you buyer can defend it. Okay, if it will go upside once again. Okay guys, coming downside, then your first target, second target, third target, or it will come here from here only, then it will breaks, then your first, second and third target. Okay guys, these are the target which you can surely go for. Okay guys, now in upside also we have to discuss what will happen. I will just shift this line. Okay guys, you can see that how nicely it making us for a pattern. You have to learn continuously. You have to see the, you don't have to see these what I am analyzing right now. You have to see that whole analysis, that weekly I have done an analysis previously. You can check out that too. I will give you that link in the description, or in a ending of the video, so that you have to check out that, because I will tell you how to trade, how we have traded, how I am traded, so that you can see that those pattern will repeat. I'm telling you, in forex also, crypto also, in any stock or index, those pattern will continuously repeat. So don't underestimate that analysis what we have done, weekly analysis, that in previous video I have told you when I entered, when I exit, why we have not taken this trade, how we have taken this trade, how you have to trade. That is the thing where you have to take a trade and make a your momentum. Okay guys, please see that analysis too, because I am wanted to, you have to learn this thing. So you have learned, so you got very nice money. You don't have to depend on me or someone. Okay guys, right now we can see that this is the nicest momentum. Okay guys, like this you have to see that I have made it this line for a trend line. You can see that exact here only taken support. You can see here exactly just touches and taken a support. Like that you have to see. Okay, I have maken this trend line. Okay guys, this is the trend that it will come here only and take a support. It not probability that it will just touch here only and goes upside. It will come downside. You can see that it doesn't closed, it come downside and take here once again, retest, take a resistance like this, take a resistance, then come downside. It means that it coming downside or make a one bearish candle. You can see that this is the resistance area. It make on a very big green candle. Okay guys, you can see in 5 minutes. So you can see here a green candle. You think that it will be a bullish, and you can think that this is the supporting area. No, you have to see that in crypto or in forex you have to trade within a 1 hour. In index and stock you have to trade in 5 minutes, because there is time is limited. Here is time is 24 hours and 5 days. In crypto 7 days 24 hours. That is the advantage. That's why we have to take a 1 hour or 30 minutes. Okay guys, it taken a resistance and came down. If you taken here 5 minutes candle only, you have taken upside momentum, it takes support and goes upside. So you have surely hit a stop loss, but you have seen this red candle. After that you can see that it making a doji candle. Then you have to take here, your SL will be very small. You can see that 1:2 or 1:4. You have surely got it. Okay guys, if you like my video guys, please like and subscribe my channel, and you can join my Telegram channel. There I will post some of the currency pairs which you can trade it. We have traded last session also. It gives us very nice money. You can go and check out my Telegram channel. Please go and check out. You can see that backtest my whatever I will tell you. You backtest and then you can subscribe my channel. Don't subscribe blindly. Go and check out, then only subscribe my channel. Okay guys, thank you guys. Have a nice day guys.